Welcome to Autodesk AutoCAD 3D Drawing and Modeling. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer a live online course that introduces each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of AutoCAD drafting. With the completion of our AutoCAD 3D Drawing and Modeling course, clients will have obtained knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday. Completion of the first day will enable students to identify 3D models, use the 3D workspace and view 3D models, work with primitive solids and use Boolean commands such as subtract, use the user coordinate system, create solids and surfaces from 2D objects, and much more. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. To help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools they will require in their daily workflow, each attendee will access AutoCAD through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to introduce students who are proficient with the 2D commands and the AutoCAD software to the concepts and methods of 3D modeling. Each student will discover how to utilize 3D viewing techniques, work with simple and composite solids, including creating, modifying, and converting to and from mesh models, work with the user coordinate system, create solid 2D objects using extrude, sweep, revolve, and loft, convert and edit NURBS surfaces, modify and align objects in 3D, use advanced solid editing tools, create a shell of a solid, imprint edges on a solid, slice a solid, and convert objects to surface and solids, develop sections, perspectives using cameras, manage views and animations, attach and manage point clouds, customize visual styles, add materials to objects, set up lights and render with basic tools, and create 2D drawings from 3D models and STL files for printing. Each day, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how AutoCAD functions best, sparking ideas for implementation and design, while giving employees the confidence to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fear that comes with transitioning into new software and new methods, assisting CAD drafters in tackling daily obstacles and helping them move through work problem issues more efficiently and quickly. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike will gain the confidence to design models in Autodesk AutoCAD using the 3D environment and tools. Cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome task of onboarding new employees and understanding how new software can and will be implemented into the daily workflow. IMAGINiT's Autodesk AutoCAD 3D Drawing and Modeling course equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing them with the latest and greatest in three-dimensional modeling.